sorry for the angle. It's just another unboxing. I'm just about to go to school. Yeah, my school's late starts on Tuesdays at 10. This is the fourth unboxing. Number 3. This will be number 4. And you can see up there. It's up. And the title thing, because number 3 was just this wit too. Because what happened is my netbook got stolen, which is what I recorded it on, because I couldn't be bothered using my iPod. And yeah, I also lost my iPod netbook. It was at rugby practice, which sucks. So that unboxing was just a wit too from Puddle Addictions. Now I'll just use a bottle to open this. Get some of this with the camera. Rest on it. I'll just rest on it. There we go. Just my camera I got 2 years ago, which my original YouTube video is recorded on, which is private. Yeah, the original one's privated. I edited it to be unlisted. That was back in 2010. Yeah, I got this for my birthday. So I actually got this camera 2 days after I created this channel. That date's coming up soon. I think it's the 31st of July. Reasonable fast shipping. I'm not sure. It feels a bit quite lumpy for what I think it should be in here, but it's like a Megaminx Mf8. I mean, I have a QJ V1, but this black side is broken. It's super glued, but it keeps coming off. God, getting into this thing is a nightmare. I'll just get my left-handed scissors into it. Yeah, I'm left-handed. I think I said that at my last unboxing. Oh fuck, I'm going to make this job infinitely easier, these packages. Okay, here we go. Yeah, Mf8 Megaminx bubble wrap. And another bag. I already have 3. I've already shown you them. So now I have 4 of them. Yeah. That is the QJ Megaminx version 1, I might add, because I got that in my very first order. So let's start with the Megaminx box, a bit battered. But here it is. Hope you saw that. Oh, fast and stuff. Feels lighter. This thing feels quite hefty. There's the Mf8. Oh, I'm running low on battery, so I'll get into the other thing. Magics. The strings were too small. And nulling owl. This is how my original ones came. Not that weird, well, still, whatever. 2 years ago. Alright. I think this is a Master Magic. These batteries survive. I think they can survive. I just want to do one film solve. It's been 2 years. No, it's been quite a while. Yeah, it's fantastic. Here it is. Oh, it's different from my last one. Okay. Okay. Oh, just clean up this stuff. 2 Megaminxes, yeah. First solve in 2 years. Check my statement's working. 14 seconds. I remember I think I know how to do it backwards. God, I used to just use the beginner's method. Can't remember. Anyway, is this cooked out yet? No. Now for the magic. Yeah, I think I enjoyed magic more. I know this is becoming unofficial, but I wouldn't mind going to a competition. Well, I have a competition that might be coming up, and I might be able to get New Zealand Master Magic single average, because my PBs and stuff were sub 5 singles, sub 6 averages. I had a sub 6 average of 12. So yeah, so my PB single's like 4.71 for Master Magic. Magic was like 3, because I practiced it. So there was one point where my Master Magic was better. Yeah, and then they broke, which sucked. So these don't come with any spare strings. But rolling now. Yeah, so the Megaminx is quite stiff. I have another unboxing coming. It's but yeah, let's see what that is when that comes. I try to make it my 100th video. Should be here any day even. But I don't know. Magic. Okay, let's start. Okay. What? Done this wrong somehow. Yep. Oh no, I haven't. There you go. So you're supposed to do it, but it won't work obviously. What part are you supposed to do this again on? This is what you get after 2 years. What is that? What was it? Oh, sorry, cough. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Oh no, wrong way. Yeah, so it is becoming unofficial at the end of this year, but whatever. There we go. There we go. Anyway, back to the Megaminx. Yeah, it feels pretty stiff. Right, see if I can get into it to lubricate. Oh, pieces look quite different. I'm not sure what version of Mf8 this is. It's a V2. Yeah, I think we've seen the CRC 808 silicone. Please work well. I always find this makes like my V cubes kind of oops, put on the sticker stiff. But with some breaking in, letting it settle, it's okay. Yeah, so Megaminx I know how to solve. I average. Yeah. Oh, I've got a 325. I don't know. I lost all the data because my netbook had the Prism of Hustle Time data on it, all fucking solved since February. Well, May for that particular part. Oh god. God, this thing's stiff. Well, it's getting better. It's getting a lot better. I might just scramble it. Nice stickers, they're nice and bright. Brighter than those. Those are quite dim. But they didn't chip at all. Well, not much. Especially for 2 years. Yeah, this thing's improving quite a bit. I won't do a solve because I don't think that has the batteries. Anyway, it's only got 2 gigs. Yeah. Oh. See it? Now let's just do a quick. Yeah, it actually feels pretty nice. Don't know if it's become my main, because that's pretty. I don't know, it's a bit clicky and catching. But I don't know, feels like it could become pretty good. This, it's nice smooth. Yeah, it does catch a bit as well. Yeah. So all in all, I'm pretty happy. Yep. Oh, see if I can remember to do this beginner's way. Pretty sure it's like, yeah. I think it was something like, yeah, there we go. Funny. This though, I don't like doing the twists on magics because I feel as though I'll break them. That's the right one. Hang on. It was like this and then flip it. I don't remember at all. Hang on, no. Yeah, I probably shouldn't be bothering with this. No, can't remember. Maybe I can do a magic time solve, say. I'll do the beginner's method. I don't know. I'm so terrible at the moment. Oh, come on. Never force a magic. Oh, that's right. Bloody twist. That is pretty tight. Anyway, I think that should be about it. So, magic, master magic, Mf8 Megaminx.